Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is Teacher Jethro. I am in charge of ICT, Elm School Upper, and we are doing computer science, coding, and robotics. The recent past, we have begun this program, and it is picking up very well in our community here in Somaliland. And the learners are very many, and we began enrolling all of them under the basic computer science theoretical concepts and practical activities.
Hi, my name is Juuri. I am from Elm School Upper Section. Today we have a computer lab lesson. We are making a ping pong game, as you can see here. First, the ping pong game, when it starts, it jumps up into 90 to 770 degrees. The platform, it bounces, then it is only on the downside, and the ball is rotating on the other sides. When it touches the ball, the platform, it bounces back.
We have begun taking them through the Scratch program on the basic coding blocks and the advanced level of computer science Python program. They were also able to launch the robotic class whereby they interacted with the general kits of Quackies, and they were able to do some projects here and there, including the line following robotic kits in Quacky. They were able also to connect computers with the Quacky robotic kits, and that was very interesting for them. I can see that the learners are catching up, and now that they are able to blend what they are learning here, the skills of analytics in their mathematics concepts, even in the classroom, they are able to generate a lot of programs, including calculators and many others, which is a positive impact to them. And whenever you call them up to come for projects, they are doing very well. And I can see that despite some few challenges here and there, maybe accessories of computing devices at home, they are able to utilize what the school has provided, whereby we have now a well-equipped laboratory, having computers counting up to 27 of them, desktops, and also we are able to manage the activities that they are working. They are also charging up because there are upcoming international competitions that will be being undertaken over some few months from now, and we hope also to send some of the learners to go and compete in different countries, also to interact with different communities of learning and see what the rest of the world is doing. And so I can say that Elm School is a good place that learners can come and learn and find good environment of also increasing their analytical, their practical activities and do things with computing apart from what they are also doing in class. So it is a good environment, and I welcome all the learners that they should be enrolling on this. Thank you very much.